In today's rapidly evolving business landscape, accurate and efficient document control is essential for maintaining compliance, minimizing errors, and ensuring organizational success. Without proper document control strategies in place, companies often face operational inefficiencies, regulatory violations, and costly mistakes. The Document Control Training Certification course is designed to equip professionals with the knowledge and skills needed to develop and implement effective document control strategies. This comprehensive program covers document control principles, regulatory requirements, document management systems, version control processes, and document distribution and security protocols. For organizations, investing in this training can lead to improved regulatory compliance, reduced operational risks, increased efficiency, and better control over critical organizational documents. By implementing robust document control practices, companies can streamline operations, minimize errors, and ensure accurate and up-to-date documentation. Individuals who complete this course will emerge as certified document control professionals, capable of driving organizational success through effective document management strategies. They'll gain expertise in developing and implementing document control programs, ensuring compliance with regulations, and optimizing document management processes to streamline operations and decision-making. Don't let document control issues hinder your organization's success. Master the art of document control by enrolling in the Document Control Training Certification course today. Spaces are limited, so act now to secure your spot and unlock the full potential of your organization's document management capabilities.